Yo, my man, stop paying for expensive voice AI right now because I just found the ultimate cheat code. Meet OmniVoice. This is a fine-tuned beast built on the Qwen 3 TTS 0.6 billion parameter model, and it is absolute fire. It supports over 600 languages, it's super lightweight, and it lets you clone or design literally any voice completely for free. Stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to run this locally on Google Colab for unlimited, unrestricted usage. Let's cook. Alright bro, getting this running is easier than you think. You've got two ways to do this. Method 1, hit the GitHub link in my description, scroll down and just smash that open in Colab button. Boom, you're in. Method 2, just download the IPNB file from the top of the repo, open a fresh Colab notebook and upload it. To make your life stupid easy, I dropped every single link and file you need into one single Patreon post, linked right down below. Now, before we start the engine, do me a massive favor. If you're already feeling this free sauce, drop an FLA in the comments right now. That stands for Free Learning Academy, representing the squad. Alright, back to the screen. First thing, look at the top right of your Colab, click connect and make sure your runtime is set to the T4 GPU. Then just hit that run all button and let the matrix do its thing. Give it a minute and you'll see a public gradio.live link pop up at the bottom. Click that and welcome to the OmniVoice multilingual playground. Let's start with the voice cloning magic. Go ahead and drop your script into the prompt box. But wait, here is a secret pro trick. You can actually add raw realistic emotion like laughing, sighing or whatever you want just by putting those words inside square brackets right in your text. Absolute game changer. Next, pick your language from the 600 plus options. Tick the box if you want subtitles and upload your reference audio. But hold up, before you hit generate, scroll down a little bit to the generation settings because this is where the real sauce is. You can tweak the speed or set a fixed duration, but honestly, just leave duration at 0 so the AI auto adjusts it perfectly while generating. Now, for the inference steps, crank this up if you want that buttery, smooth, ultra-realistic sound. Just know it takes a little longer to process. Then you've got the guidance scale. Turn it up to force the AI to strictly follow your instructions, or drop it low if you want the AI to go rogue and hallucinate. My pro advice, just leave it on the default value for the best results. Let's do a quick live demo so you can hear this. Here is what my raw reference audio sounds like.
Painting the nursery a soft, calming blue, stepping back to admire the silence of his new home. He wiped the sweat from his brow and prepared to turn off the lights.
Alright, now I type in my simple text, hit generate, and check out this absolute magic.
The rusted key turned with a heavy click, finally revealing the hidden garden blooming in the moonlight. After years of searching, Maya stepped inside and realized the map hadn't been a lie after all.
Bro, if your mind is blown right now, smash that FLA in the comments. But we aren't done. Let's click over to the voice designing part. This is where you literally play God and build a custom character voice from scratch. The setup looks the same as cloning, but here you just pick the gender. Dial in the age range of your voice artist, choose a low, middle or high pitch and set the style like a creepy whisper or just auto. You can even force it to speak with specific English accents like American or Indian. It's wild. And that's the Loophole, fam. Unlimited pro-level AI voices for $0. Remember, grab all the links and files in that one Patreon post down in the description. If this video leveled up your workflow, smash that subscribe button, leave a like and share this with your crew. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.